If you are one of those people who can't afford to buy alcohol markers, then these markers are your go-to experience. These are called watercolor brush markers. I happen to find them online for a very cheap price. They have 36 colors, which is very good. And as I said, they have brush tips, which is the best thing about them. These were the cheapest alternatives from alcohol markers which I could find, and now I'm gonna create a color palette for this markers. Now I'm gonna fill the color chart to understand the colors more easily and efficiently. Color chart is very important while coloring the drawing to understand which color goes where, and it helps a lot. Well, now that I've created the color chart, now I'm gonna see how good they actually mix up. Which I mean is how they actually blend together. So for that, I'm gonna flip the paper over and use these markers to check the blending. Firstly, the lightest color, then the medium, then the darkest, then blend with the medium and with the lightest. You can see the blending is very good. Now that we have done all the steps, we are good to go. Now let's start. For this drawing I'm gonna use A4 size paper and my regular mechanical pencil. The sketching is gonna be completely freehand except for some guidelines for the faces of the characters. Now let's do it. Well, I've been recording for a time. I'll see you in a second. After some more detailing, my sketch is complete. Now that the sketch is complete, I can finally go ahead and do the inking with these fine liners. These are the pen sizes, and now let's start. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened, and if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. In my opinion, inking is the most difficult part as my hand is literally trembling. Now that this is done, let's do the coloring. Firstly, gray for the background. I'm using different brushes to get a different texture for certain areas of the background. Now this is done and I'm gonna color the flare of the dragon. Using these colors, I'm gonna color the dragon. Using dark to light approach, I'm gonna use red color to outline the darker areas first. Fill it up. Now using light orange, I'm gonna give it that orangish tint of the fire. Stop. With a darker yellow shade, I'll add some depth to the drawing. Then with a light yellow, I'm gonna fill the rest of the area. Now this is the techniques I'm gonna use to color the whole dragon. So light it up, represent, gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
100%. Had to do it hella big, had to run it back again. Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
Stop.
Now this round flare. Wait, hold on, I'll show you. Using these colors for the skin. I do have a skin color in the markers, but it is not as much good as the pencil colors. Now his clothes.
Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
Stop.
Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
Please drop your sign and then I'm done.